GMED stock analysis is super interesting. I mean, in this 1 minute video, I'm showing you my technical analysis and price predictions, my exact play for the next week, right? In 1 minute video. I am the only guy in this space that's done 40,000 videos and documented them all. Tens of thousands of dollars have been invested in courses and mentors, and it's taken me approximately 5 years. So with this, after crap like this, after melting stage like this, well, man, like we cannot argue that this is still relatively a demand zone. And I think it's going to be kind of boring these next couple of days, because if I don't see a shift, then there's no way that I'm looking to long. And all I'll be doing in the meantime is just briefly waiting, you know. So what I'll keep doing here is just keep waiting. And if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month with our indicators, click the first link in the description. You can get my free emails. I mean, other than that, man, like there's really nothing that I'm going to be forcing to do. But see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.